This is a tutorial to show you the use of custom shapes to create an abstract design using a photo. Now I'm going to copy and use selections. And the selections are created by the custom shapes. The custom shape I'm going to be using is from Graphicxtras.com. So I'm just going to go over to the shape tool. Now this is CS5. Select that, and a selection of shapes here. Just select one of those, the zigzag design, and I'm just going to go to the options up here in the control bar. There's path. I'm going to select the path option, and I'm just going to quickly draw a smallish custom shape. They're vector designs, so they can be any size. So I'm just going to, that's a path now. Now I need to go to the path palette, and I'll just drag that over, and you go to the right side, make selection, click OK. Right, so I've got that, and I'm just going to quickly go over to save the selection. Don't have to redo that, but click OK. Now, just going to go over to the rectangular marquee tool, and now you can actually drag the selection around. So obviously if you place the path in a place you don't really like it, you can move it around. Just going to now copy, so it copies the underline, obviously the woman, and then I'm just going to do a paste, go back to the move tool. I can drag that over. You can just see now you can just see the underline design. It's slightly different now because I've obviously offset it slightly, and I'm actually going to give it a layer style as well. Of course, you can do that with layers and shapes. So now a drop shadow, just make it highlight a bit, and a stroke, just a very subtle stroke. And I could of course give it a bevel as well, whatever. Okay, and I'm actually also going to go to layer style, and I'm going to copy the layer style. I want to actually save that so I can actually just use it again because I've done recreate it all the time. So I'm just going to now, that's one layer, that's layer one. I'm just going to go to the layers palette so you actually see layer one there, and as a background still, go to the background, and I'm going to say select, reselect, and obviously it doesn't reselect the actual layer, it actually just reselects the thing. So if I actually move it, it actually takes away the underlying thing. Obviously I don't want to do that because then you get a really disjointed picture. So I'm just going to undo move. I'm going to go back to the marquee tool, and I'm going to move that. Again, you can move that around, so just move it slightly, offset, and again copy, paste, move tool, move it slightly, disjointed again from the layer style, paste layer style, and obviously just keep repeating that. I'm just going to run through that. I'm just going to just do it without obviously chatting away. Obviously you can pick choose any shape for your shape layer. So there's obviously millions of custom shapes on Graphicxtras, but there's also many on the web as well. This of course could be for PC or Mac as well. Right, I'm just going to continue for a bit, just to go back. So I'm just going to go back to the obviously you probably could even write an action to this, otherwise you have to just keep going backwards and forwards. It's we'll set up some controls for it. So now go back to the layer palette, and I'm going to go back to the background, select, reselect, so you could always do that, Shift Control D. Now that, so move over there, copy, paste. Again, I can just move it slightly, layer style, paste layer style. So you can just keep it slightly, so you know it's not a massive. Obviously, if you move it completely, it's going to really lose any impact as actually as a person. But it's actually just so you can just keep doing this. Maybe create 50 or 60. But again, you can run through a set of actions if you wish to do it that way, or Just obviously set, just remember Control V and all that sort of stuff. Goes through it much bit quicker than probably doing it by going to the menus all the time. So I'm just going to do another one, and then that'll be it for this quick video. So select, reselect, again go and select a different area. Remember to always select that tool, otherwise you'll move some of the underlying picture. So I'm just going to go over, create the nose, and I'm just going to go copy, again paste, go to the move tool again, move it slightly, then layer style, paste layer style, and then you've got that again, move that just slightly. And you can continue, like I say, to create a very broken, maybe like puzzle-like image of a person's face, or obviously any other object. So it could be a car or whatever.